Now, days after the newly appointed Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Philip Kirwa, was welcomed by MTRH staff and senior management who celebrated his appointment as the new CEO. High Court Judge Justice Samuel Mohochi, sitting in Nakuru, has temporarily slammed the brakes on Dr. Kirwa's appointment. This is after a petition filed by a Nakuru-based surgeon, Dr. Magare Gikenyi, and 6 others was accepted by the court. The court issued conservatory orders suspending any press release or gazette notice or any other authority or document purporting to appoint Kirwa as the MTRH CEO. Elvis Kosgei has that story.
Nakuru-based surgeon Dr. Magare Gikenyi, Lina Nyabate, Philemon Abuga, Pauline Nduta, Shalom Kaka, Jamli Kotondi, and Agnes Wambua filed a suit seeking to block Dr. Philip Kirwa from assuming office. The 7 named MTRH, Kirwa, Head of Public Service Felix Koskei, the Attorney General, and over 20 others as respondents. 47 other individuals have been named as interested parties. The government, they said, shortlisted candidates who did not meet the required qualifications as outlined in their own advert. The appointment of Kirwa, they stated, was made in consultation with the Chief of Staff and Head of the Public Service, despite the fact that the law outlines the appointment by the President and not the Head of the Public Service. Dr. Kirwa joined MTRH as a medical intern in the year 1996, and 28 years later, he was appointed the hospital's Chief Executive Officer. On Saturday, Dr. Philip Kirwa, who has been the acting CEO, was welcomed by the staff in a ceremony dominated by song and dance.
Umetoka ushago mali, najua ile mali ulikanyaga kiatu naruka maji, nilikuwa naenda shule karibu kwao 6 kilometers. Kwa Kinairi nuko chini, very far place. There were no schools when I went to school those days, very far. Na ukiangalia where we've come from and where we've reached, unasema tu ni Mungu. Na viongozi wote kutoka juu, kutoka president ule amefanya a lot of research kuhusu referral, kuhusu mimi na wenzetu wenye walikuwa tuna compete pamoja na hawa, akasema huyu anatosha.
The temporary orders has temporarily halted the rise of Dr. Philip Kirwa from the humble beginnings in the Lesos village, Nandi County.
Tukateremka ile bodi walikuwa wamesema kitambo, akasema tupeane hizi majina kwa sababu nimepita mtihani. Nikatangulia. Nashukuru hawa wote. Nashukuru pia staff wote. Tangu hiyo December wakati tulipatiwa usukani ya kushikilia, tumeshikilia MTRH. And especially wakati kulikuwa na strike hivi karibuni, ile kitu imetupatia max kubwa sana kwa hospitali zote Kenya. Wala walikuwa wamefunga biashara yao kwa sababu ya strike ya madaktari. MTRH peke yake ndio tuliweza kufikisha staff, kazi yetu ilikuwa over 75%.
According to the petitioner Dr. Gikenyi, the appointment of Kirwa was essentially made by the top management from one region. Gikenyi also told the court that Dr. Kirwa was involved in the selection process despite being a candidate. The PWDs and women they noted were also not considered. Only one woman was considered, with no PWD made it despite applying. 5 out of 8 candidates shortlisted, they noted, came from one region. Elvis Kosgei, KT News, Uasin Gishu County.
Thanks, Elvis. There is hope for